see insert operation on the singly linked list. Insert means we have already created the list, and in that list if you want to insert more information, then this insert operation is used. Insert operation we can do in three ways, or we can add the node into the list at possible three positions. First, we can add the newly created node as a first node or as a head node, or we can add the newly created node at the last, or we can add newly created node at specific position, that is after a specific node. Okay? So we will see one by one all these three cases. From that, the second case, which is similar to the creation of list, because in creation of list, every time whatever the new node get created, we are adding that node at the end. Okay, that node at the end. So somewhat logic of this second case is similar to creation of the list. So we will focus on this first and third case. From that first case, that how to insert node as a head node or as a first node. Okay, this is the list. This is my head. So suppose this head contains address as 100. So it is stored at 100. This is stored at 200. This is stored at 300. Now I want to add a node. Okay, that is 10, which address is 400. Okay, and data is 40. This node I want to insert here, that is first node. How to do this? For that, first of all, create the node by using create node function. This create node function will create the node and return the address in temp variable, in temp pointer variable. Then in that temp pointer variable, you have to store the data that you want to insert into the list. Okay, so ask user to insert the node, insert the data, then store that data into temp of data in this part. Okay, now check whether the newly created node is the first node in the list that you are inserting, just by checking head is equal to null. If head is not null, in our case head is not null because head contains the value. Okay, so this condition is false. Now we can insert this node at the beginning. Let us see how. If this condition is not true, then we are going into else part. That is, our head is not null, and add this node or insert this node at the first. For that, what we need to do? We need to make the temp next. Make the temp next to here. To here. Okay. But how we come to know that our first node is placed at 100? That we will come to know from this head, because in function we have passed node start head. So head contains the address of first node. So what we will do? Temp next. We are not using this head because head we need as a fix. There should not be any changes in head. So we will copy this address in one variable called as pointer variable. Here we have taken the pointer variable ptr. So make ptr is equal to head. So the address of head is copied into ptr. Now ptr holds address 100. What we will do? We will store this 100 in this part, temp next. Okay, so it will link here. So how to do? Temp next is equal to what? ptr. So ptr contains 100, that's stored into next. So temp get linked here. Now we have to move this head from 100 to here, that is 400. How to do? Head is equal to temp. Temp is nothing but pointer variable which holds the address. So temp hold address 400, and that 400 is stored into the head. Okay. So now this becomes your head. That is the starting node of the list. This is your PTR. Starting node of the list. After inserting node at the first, your head address get changed. That we come to, or that we have to notify to other operations also, because other operations may also require the head node to perform the operations. Okay, while we insert the node at the beginning, head get changed, so we have to notify that. How to notify? Just by returning the value of head. Return head. So this function will return the changed head address to other operation. This is about the insertion of node at first or head.